Mastering Cisco Packet Tracer, a complete guide for academic projects in today's digital age. Technology plays an integral role in shaping our educational landscape. With the increasing emphasis on practical learning and hands-on experience, tools like Cisco Packet Tracer have become indispensable for students and educators alike. But what exactly is Cisco Packet Tracer, and how can it revolutionize academic projects? Let's dive into the world of networking simulations and discover the endless possibilities it offers. Introduction to Cisco Packet Tracer. Before we embark on our journey to mastering Cisco Packet Tracer, let's start with the basics. Cisco Packet Tracer is a powerful simulation tool developed by Cisco Systems for network modeling, visualization, and troubleshooting. It provides a virtual environment where users can design, configure, and troubleshoot network devices in a risk-free setting. Whether you are studying networking concepts, preparing for certification exams, or working on academic projects, Cisco Packet Tracer serves as your virtual laboratory, offering a hands-on learning experience like no other. Getting started. Installation and setup. The first step towards mastering Cisco Packet Tracer is to install and set up the software on your device. Installation process. Begin by downloading the latest version of Cisco Packet Tracer from the official website. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. Setting up your workspace. Upon launching Cisco Packet Tracer, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface divided into various panels and tabs. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout and navigation options available. Understanding the interface. Now that you've installed Cisco Packet Tracer, let's explore its interface in detail. Main components. The interface consists of several key components, including the workspace area, device palette, and toolbar. Workspace area. This is where you'll design and configure your network topology using drag and drop functionality. Device palette. Here, you'll find a wide range of network devices, such as routers, switches, and computers, that you can add to your topology. Toolbar. The toolbar contains essential tools for designing, configuring, and simulating your network. Designing your network topology. One of the most exciting aspects of using Cisco Packet Tracer is designing your network topology from scratch. Topology design. Start by conceptualizing the layout of your network, considering factors such as device placement, connectivity requirements, and scalability. Adding devices. Using the device palette, drag and drop various network devices onto the workspace area to create your desired topology. Connecting devices. Establish connections between devices by selecting the appropriate interface and using the connector tool to draw connections. Configuring network devices. Once you've designed your network topology, it's time to configure the individual devices to meet your specific requirements. Device configuration. Double-click on a device to access its configuration window, where you can set parameters such as IP addresses, subnet masks, and routing protocols. Command line interface, CLI. For advanced users, Cisco Packet Tracer also offers a command line interface for configuring devices using Cisco iOS commands. Testing connectivity. After configuring your devices, use built-in tools like ping and traceroute to test network connectivity and troubleshoot any issues. Simulating network behavior. The true power of Cisco Packet Tracer lies in its ability to simulate real-world network behavior, allowing users to test their configurations and troubleshoot potential issues. Packet Tracer mode. Switch to simulation mode to observe how data packets flow through your network in real time. Packet capture. Use the packet capture feature to analyze network traffic and identify potential bottlenecks or security threats. Troubleshooting scenarios. Create simulated scenarios to practice troubleshooting common network problems, such as connectivity issues or configuration errors. Collaborating and sharing projects. In addition to individual learning, Cisco Packet Tracer also facilitates collaborative work environments where students can collaborate on projects and share their findings with peers and instructors. Team projects. Collaborate with classmates on group projects by sharing Packet Tracer files and working together to design and configure complex network topologies. Remote access. With the ability to access Packet Tracer projects from anywhere with an internet connection, students can continue their work outside of the classroom environment. Feedback and evaluation. Receive feedback from instructors and peers on your projects, allowing for continuous improvement and knowledge sharing. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering Cisco Packet Tracer is essential for anyone pursuing a career in networking or IT-related fields. By providing a virtual environment for designing, configuring, and simulating network topologies, Cisco Packet Tracer offers unparalleled opportunities for hands-on learning and skill development. Whether you are a student looking to enhance your academic projects or an educator seeking innovative teaching tools, Cisco Packet Tracer is your gateway to success in the world of networking.